Hello friends, hope this video meets you well. How are you doing today? So I'm making this video just to show you how to properly place your alphabet on your fan or even on anything. Please, whenever you want to place your alphabet, do not do it without measurement. This already made alphabet, they are just 1 inch long. So once you can create a space for 1 inch where they will sit properly and accurately. So in the work of craft, the ability for you to ensure accuracy is one thing that will make your work stand out. So normally I take very good measurement. So if you look at what I have there now, the beginning of the curve of the fan, you see a line. After that, there is another line. That means that I do not wish to place it at that beginning, but I need to give a little distance, maybe where I want to put other embellishments before the alphabet, okay? So ensuring that it is very accurate, your distance from here to here is accurate. It's not like this place have 1.5 inches distance, and as we are moving forward you are seeing 1 inch or you are seeing 2 inches irregular measurement. No, it will not make your work to be outstanding. When you want to do outstanding work as far as this business is concerned, you have to give it time. Okay, time is very crucial. If you are too much in a hurry, you can never deliver quality work. So the ability to pay attention to details as you work is one thing that will definitely make your work to be outstanding. Just look at how I place it. Bride's mom, okay, accurately. If I wish to push my B backward, I will. I will ensure that the distance between the first two letters are equal, like the distance between the M and then the B, okay? So that everything you are doing looks standard, look accurate, look like professional. Do you know that every work you see is made by somebody like me and you? You see already made gowns, you see turkey wears, you see turkey shoes, you see turkey skirt and blouse. Not be machine, not be robot cut the skirt and blouse. So na human being, person like me and you, na im do am. But the only difference is that they gave time, they paid attention to details. So if you can begin to pay attention to details, your work will begin to be outstanding. And also the God factor. There is the God factor in this business. God is the author of all creativity. He is the greatest innovator. So if you want to innovate anything, if you want to come up with outstanding piece, you want to do something like no one else has ever done, you need to ask the Holy Spirit for assistance. Okay? So that is by the way. But you can see the placement now. So you see it, how outstanding is just looking. No alphabet is bending, no letter is curving, shifting one side or the other. You have to just be professional in every aspect of it. So that when you even do something that you just spend 5,000 to do, voila, you can sell that in 25,000, because you pay attention to details, you pay attention to the fabric you want to use, you pay attention to something that will make it different from the regular thing out there. Very important. Okay, so I think I will allow you to watch the rest of the video, because I told you that the focus is on placing the alphabet. Okay, so and I have placed it. After that, I'll go ahead and now fix my feathers. All right, the method I use is not the only method. There are some people that will first of all fix their feathers before they will go ahead to now start doing their alphabet and their finishing. Whichever way suits you, please use it. But I always like to, especially where I want to design and now put alphabet, I like to create space for that and make sure that I have enough space to do that before I will now go ahead and start fixing my feathers and then finish it up with embellishment when I'm done. Okay, So thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If today is your first time seeing Creative Ends International and you are yet to subscribe to our channel, I don't know why you've not done that. Our videos are numerous, they are so interesting and very, very educative. I believe that when you join this channel, you can suddenly, immediately become self-employed. There are a lot of people in the market, the only thing they do is to produce handfans and sell. So they have their shop where they just produce handfans in numbers and in varieties of styles. There are also some people that just produce turbans. So but on this channel I deal on both handfan, turban, auto gele, specially made turbans that are my own designs, art wire turbans, fascinators, we are this channel covers a whole lot. So if you are seeing us for the first time, please, I want to encourage you to please subscribe to this channel, all right? And then, well, I'll see you in my next video. And if at all you think you have any question, please go ahead, drop it on the comment section. I will respond to you definitely. Yeah, you can be rest assured that I will respond to you. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Love you.